Hi, English 131 students. Welcome to week 6. So, we are just getting finished with Unit 1. Last time you came to class virtually, you had to commit yourself to completing your discussion board on Mary Oliver and Robert Bullard's text. I will be grading that discussion board throughout this week, okay? So we're finished with Unit 1. We're now moving into Unit 2. Unit 2 involves you reading a young adult novel called Feed by M.T. Anderson, okay? We'll scroll down to week 6, and you'll notice that the entire novel is located right here. Let me pull up the pen. As a PDF document, okay? You also, at the beginning of the semester, have instructions on how to order it on Amazon if you prefer to read it as an actual text. You can also download it to your Kindle or your mobile device or whatever you want to do. But I wanted to provide it for free as a PDF. So if you want to read it as a PDF, that's great. Okay? Okay, so moving into this unit, you're going to be reading this novel and you'll be responding to discussion board posts, and you'll be working on your short essay, which will be just a few pages long. You'll notice the short essay instructions are located right here. I also have a video lecture where M.T. Anderson himself summarizes the novel. I also want you to watch this video lecture on how to conduct research for your short essay. Okay? So instructions and conducting research, along with the summary by the author himself. On Wednesday, I want you to read the first pages of Feed, pages 7 to 44, or if you have the book, pages 3 to 72. Now, it might sound like a lot, but the book is super easy to read. You read it, I read it in a flight from Minneapolis to Dallas. So it took me like 4 hours to read the entire novel. It's not that difficult. You also have a video lecture on the introduction to Feed. Okay, located right here, where I go over the actual introduction. So I'm introducing you to the text, introducing you to the novel, but I want you to start reading it as soon as possible, okay? Start noticing some of the themes in the novel, such as climate, environmentalism, corporate takeover, just the use of what they call a neural link, or the feed, which is implanted in everybody's head, and what it does to their self-awareness, to their empathy, to their concern about their community, okay? Keep these things in mind. I really like teaching this novel. It has so many interesting implications that could be applied to today. In fact, it's almost eerie how much of what happens in this novel is starting to happen today, and it's kind of scary at the same time. So it is what we call a dystopian novel, which means it is projecting a future where things do not go according to plan. Rampant consumerism is a huge part of this novel, okay? So keep that in mind. As you start reading the novel, start picking out certain themes that you're interested in exploring for your first paper, okay? If you have questions, I will have office hours this week on Wednesday from 9 o'clock to 10 o'clock. Please swing on by. I'm happy to talk with you about any questions you might have. Have a great week. Take care.